EG4 is coming to Intersolar 2025. At our booth, we're not just showcasing products, we're unveiling the future of energy independence. Our latest innovations are engineered to deliver what matters most: superior performance, unmatched reliability, and exceptional value for your projects. Why choose EG4? Advanced energy storage systems with comprehensive whole-home backup capabilities, industry-leading technical expertise with dedicated post-sale support, solutions engineered to maximize your project success and exceed customer expectations. At Intersolar 2025, experience firsthand how EG4's cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing the energy storage landscape. Our team of experts will demonstrate how our integrated solutions can elevate your business and empower your customers. The next evolution in energy independence awaits, and it's at booth 2825. Join us to discover how EG4's innovations create a world where energy generation is for everyone.